In this video, you'll learn how to disable or enable the Google Meet tab in Gmail. Whether you never use Google Meet and want a cleaner inbox, or you rely on it and want it front and center, I'll walk you through the exact settings you need to change step by step. First, make sure you're on a computer using a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. This process works best on the desktop version of Gmail, not the mobile app. Go ahead and open your browser and navigate to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, log into the Google account where you want to change this setting. Once Gmail loads, you'll be looking at your inbox. To change anything related to the Google Meet tab, we need to go into the main settings. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings button. Click on that gear icon. A small panel will slide open on the right side, showing some quick settings. In that panel, you'll see an option called See All Settings. This is important because the Meet tab controls are not in the quick settings, they're in the full settings menu. Click See All Settings, your screen will change to show several tabs across the top, such as General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. From here, look for the tab labeled Chat and Meet. Click on Chat and Meet to open those specific options. This is where Google groups together settings for Google Chat and Google Meet inside Gmail. Once you're in the Chat and Meet section, take a moment to find the area labeled Meet. Under this section, you'll see options that control whether the Meet tab appears in your Gmail interface. Typically, you'll see choices such as show the Meet section in the main menu or hide the Meet section in the main menu. If you want to see the Google Meet tab in the sidebar where you can quickly start or join meetings, choose the option to show the Meet section in the main menu. This is useful if you schedule or join video meetings frequently and want easy access without opening a separate page. If you prefer a simpler, less cluttered inbox and don't use Google Meet often, choose the option to hide the Meet section in the main menu. When you select this, the Meet tab will disappear from the left sidebar in Gmail, giving you a bit more space and a cleaner look. After you've selected the option you prefer, you're not quite done yet. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is essential. If you leave the page or click away without saving, Gmail won't apply your new setting and the Meet tab will stay as it was before. Once you click Save Changes, Gmail may briefly reload. After it does, look at the left-hand sidebar of your inbox. If you chose to show the Meet section, you should now see it listed there, usually with options like New Meeting or Join a Meeting. If you chose to hide it, the Meet section should now be gone from that sidebar. You can return to these settings at any time and switch between showing or hiding the Meet tab whenever your needs change. So that's all there is to it. Open Gmail, go to Settings, head into Chat and Meet, choose whether to show or hide the Meet tab, and save your changes.